RedShark NAB 2024 coverage is sponsored by...
I'm Eidenbock, and here we are at NAB 2024 with SmallHD. Here we have our Ultra 7s, which is our new 7-inch high bright monitor, onboard monitor. So Ultra 7's been shipping for a couple months now. Quick overview of these. They're 2300 nits. You can do camera control, Sony, Red, and ARRI. With Sony, Burano and FX6 is coming next month. Here we have the wireless versions that it will be shipping. This will be shipping in a couple weeks, and the transmitter version will be shipping in May. Let me show you the sun hood real quick. It's kind of slick. Take your bottom hood off here. Open the top. Close it. So you don't lose your bottom flag. It attaches just like that. They have 6G SDI for 4K loop out. IP weatherproofed. IP rating of 53, raised edges to help protect the screen, and some bumpers here. We have some colors here. These are early prototypes, different colors. Later this year, you'll be able to buy one of your choice in the color that you want. They're not user replaceable, but you'll be able to get them on the site. And we're gonna start with about 15 colors. So you can also get this one in a kit with 2 handles, a neck strap, and a battery plate of your choice on the back, V-mount, gold mount, and later we're coming out with B-mount. And then the transmitter you'll be able to put on board on your camera and transmit wireless camera control if you purchase the license. And you'll be able to do playback and camera control on your RX unit. These are 750 feet, and they come now with internal antenna. No more losing them or breaking them off. And yeah, these will be shipping soon, and you can get, if you want a regular Ultra 7 without Teradek built into it, you can buy it right now.